You're the only one I can't hide it. I can tell you wanna feel it, don't fight it, yeah. How would you feel about trying something new? I ring the bell, you can know who you are fighting. Really take, go and take flight, oh yeah. Promise I really don't mind it. Don't you move, I made some time for you. I can't decide for you. Oh no, you choose. I made some time for you.
Hey guys, welcome back to another weekly video vlog. But I feel like the ending of last year and this year, I feel like was a lot of like people not feeling motivated to go, which you most likely won't feel motivated every day, which I feel like we all know this by now. Or just not even having like the drive anymore, like the drive just kind of drifted away. And I felt the same way towards the end of 2023, to be honest. But I also didn't feel guilty for not going to the gym. So I feel like there's two sides of it, you know what I mean? With the whole motivation thing and just the drive of not being able or not feeling like going, I feel like it's really about like addressing what made you feel that way, you know? Like things happen in our lives, so much has happened in the world, and you know, sometimes it affects you emotionally, maybe physically as well, but I feel like it's just addressing those emotions and those feelings and then seeing, you know, what step you can take to move forward. And if you really want to make a change in your life, your body, your mind, your spirit, anything, like you have to address those things and figure out what your first step is going to be, because it's going to be very hard to like move forward from whatever's weighing you down if you don't address it, you know? Like write it out, talk about it to yourself, talk about it to whoever you can, you know, if you want. Pray, ask God for direction. Anywho, it is Wednesday. It is currently 9:17 in the morning, and I really wanted to wake up early today. I really could have, but I just went back to sleep. Whatever, it is what it is. This is probably like the worst time to go to the gym. I don't know though, it's a Wednesday. People are probably at work by now. These are my top 3 supplements right now. Well, including the protein powder. But ECA is here. Love this flavor and this brand. Honestly, this is like my favorite pre-workout so far that I've ever had. It tastes like the sour watermelon candies. And then I put some creatine. I haven't been taking this consistently. I usually only take it on like my lower body days. I take it a couple times a day, but you're supposed to take it like 6 times a day, and I don't really do that. I think it definitely helps with my performance in the gym and stuff, so pretty strong. So honestly, if you try this, I would take half a scoop first, and then, you know, if you want to increase to a full scoop. I'm just gonna put some cream cheese on top, and yeah.
Yeah, 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 hell motherfucking yeah, yeah, yeah. Gotta need a Baker booming out the 87 Buick. Stepping in some Pumas, but this Molly got me booty. Hanging with my money, talking to it like it's human. Nigga, play me like a square, I spin the block like it's a Rubik's. She frightened by my diamonds, how I'm shining, Stanley Kubrick. Trip like Alex Mack, I spit them racks and turn to fluid. Pockets looking nauseous, blowing money like it's mucus. Told my nigga, get it loser, let's go shooting like it's clueless. Money talk like Iron Giant, need a hanger for these racks. The beef is crunch time, turn them niggas to a pack. Black and white diamonds, man, my wrist should be on black. On my bracelets and watches, on my arms, I look like Jack. Came up in it of me and mama had to struggle. Nerdy nigga, but I'm thuggin'. It's the zone, sick McLovin. I was down on Custer watching Martin while she suckin'. Get the wildin' out with cannons, bitch, we drumming. Choppers fertile, yeah, they bustin', yeah. Go round and find out. 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 Yeah. Go round and find out. Yeah. Go round and find out. Yeah.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to change positions. Stroke it, baby. Stroke it for me.
Potatoes, cucumber, peanut butter, spinach, ginger, pineapple, and apples. Got these little curtains for the living room. I think I'm gonna get these for the bedroom as well. Stuff I don't need because I literally have one right there, but I just like the green color. And then I got this little fruit basket. So now, yeah, we have dishes everywhere. Okay? And then I can use this one instead. I didn't know if I really liked it, but I feel like it'd be cute. I'll put that together later. And then, oh, I got these little jars for like my juice. Since I'll be juicing, it's perfect for the curtain rod. That's for the curtain rod. I bought this little bag because I did not have a little bag, and this is the little curtain rod that we got. It's just a white one. That's everything that I got from today's little run. I am going to head to the gym now. I think, I don't know. I really want to go to the gym. I didn't go today. It's like my off recovery kind of cardio core day. For my cardio, we just walked around some stores, which obviously I didn't burn nearly as many calories as I would doing like my steady state cardio. Figure it out. And then when I get back, I'm gonna finish, or I'm gonna do this green juice and get those started for the week. And then, yeah, put up these curtains and stuff. So I think that's what I'm gonna do is head to the gym, get a little quick workout in, some cardio, and then, yeah. This cute little juicer. It looks very tiny, and it is tiny, but it looks like extra tiny on camera. But I got it off Amazon, and it definitely does the job. Yeah, I didn't want anything like super big, taking up space, so I just got this mini one. And then I'm not using it as often as, like, you know, I'm not making big batches of juice, so I just thought the mini one would be cool. And it has like a suction cup, so like you can move it. So cute, right?